By the way, for those of you who watched my how to carve an Atlatl thrower video, which you can see right there if you haven't watched it, here's the finished product. I added some finger loops with some leather, and then I wrapped it with some bank line to secure the loops. Used a little bit of glue in there as well. But you can use you know, any kind of cordage or whatever that you have to make the loops and secure it. Okay, so here we have our dart without fletching on it. When you throw an Atlatl, you put the spur of the thrower into the cup you carved on the thin end of the dart. My target is going to be that piece of cardboard down there. When you throw it, you want to be at about a 45-degree angle to it. You want to put your hand up at about shoulder height in kind of a neutral position. Hold on to the dart with your thumb and forefinger. If you're using this hammer type grip, if you're using the softball type grip, you want to put your first and middle finger through the loops and hold on to it like that. When you throw, you do not want to cock back and throw like that. You do not want to flip it up too early. What you want to do is have this slide forward on a flat plane. Just imagine that it's on a set of rails or a set of tracks. It slides forward on a flat plane. You twist your hips and your shoulders and push off with your rear leg to put power into it, but it goes forward smoothly and flat. When you reach the end of your extension, just about, that's when you flip your wrist and follow through. And it looks something like this. You want to put the point of your spear on your target and let fly. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and throw another one that I made. This one's a little bit smaller and lighter. It's not really something that you would use for hunting, but it's good enough for target practice to help you learn the technique. Again, you want to go forward, flat, and then flick your wrist. As I said, with practice you can throw these without fletching, but since I have some duct tape, let's go ahead and put some fletching on it. Now let's try it with some fletching. Flies much straighter. So I'm Mike, this is Budget Guides and Gear Reviews. That was my look at making and throwing an Atlatl dart. If you liked what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. Consider becoming a patron on my Patreon account. And as always, come on back. Maybe we'll learn something together.